Greetings to everyone. Today I'm going to talk on whether the government of India was successful in handling COVID-19 outbreak in India. The World Health Organization declared COVID-19 or coronavirus as a global pandemic on March 11. On March 12, India confirmed its 73rd case of coronavirus, with Kerala reporting to have the most number of cases. And the Union Health Minister Dr. Harish Vardhan in January stated that India is well equipped and is ready to tackle the corona outbreak, and he also stated that there is a group of ministers who are observing the coronavirus cases in India. He also stated that the government of India is in close contact with the WHO and is taking all the necessary actions needed to curb the spread of COVID-19 in India. So I'm going to state some of the steps taken by the government to prevent the spread of COVID-19. So the Indian government strictly advised Indian nationals to avoid traveling abroad, and on coming back they would be subjected for a minimum of 14 days quarantine. And the Indian government ordered the shutdown of all schools, colleges, and public cinema halls, and 1500 peoples were kept under observation for coming in contact with the 73 positive cases in India. And the Union Ministry of Roads and Highways uh, advised the states and union territories to take necessary actions for the sanitation of the public vehicles and terminals. The government of India also advised people to not buy anything, especially eatables and garments from roadside vendors. And it also ordered the cancellation of many sports activities that were about to take place. So these were some of the steps taken by our government to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in our country. So, but is the government successful in handling COVID-19? My answer would be a no. In India, which is the second most populous country in the world, COVID-19 outbreak has exposed the pre-existing fault lines of inequalities and communalism. So exposing which exposed the problems in our political and social structures of the government. Prevailing the political conditions of a government was already unstable prior to the COVID-19 outbreak. Our government has been ill equipped to handle such a huge crisis. So the ultra nationalist government of a country under a prime minister passed the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act on December, which gave fast tracked citizenship to minorities from neighboring countries, but it banned explicitly Muslims from it. And on August 2019, Article 370, which provided special status to the Muslim majority region, that is Jammu and Kashmir, was snatched from them, and the communication ban was imposed, which is continued till today. So with the help of these two policies and legislative moves, India was successful in India was successful Indian government was successful in making an entire underclass of citizenry, especially Muslims. So I would argue that the current administration of our country has bestowed upon itself the uh, what is called the necropolitical power, which can dictate who should die and who can stay alive. So, the Indian government under a prime minister has been scapegoating, discriminating, and repressing minorities. The poor who are unable to practice social distancing have been targeted for the spread of COVID-19, as they have to gather in groups for their basic necessities. And the Indian administration has also used the pandemic as an opportunity to crack down on political dissidents, and the lockdown measures has also led to the sudden displacement of migrant workers from the urban regions. So these migrant workers are forced to walk on their foot for miles, which has led to so many deaths. And they are also sprayed with disinfectants and or brutalized. And Islamophobic groups are evident from the fact that the spread of COVID-19 um, has been framed upon religious lines. So, considering all these things, I would say that the government did not do a great job in handling COVID-19 in India. Thank you.